So our next task is to get all of our flashlights and check the batteries.
Okay.
So we couldn't really find any flashlights in the house.
We realized that we don't have near enough flashlights. You should have one, you know, in the living room, kitchen, bedrooms, somewhere
in
case the power goes out. You know where those are as well, so you can see what you're doing. And
I like to use mine on my phone, so that helps a lot.
I never think about it being on the phone.
It works pretty good, but if for some reason,
what if your phone dies though?
That's a good point.
See,
I
so
don't ever let my phone die, but
yeah, she always keeps it charged. But if the power went out, your phone died, you wouldn't have one. So it's good to have the old-fashioned ones, I guess, too. So yeah, we have this one. Like we try to keep them in our cars or something like that. But obviously, we need to get some more for the house too. These ones are really nice because they have a clip, they have a magnet, so you can kind of set it down and see what you're doing. Really bright light on there. So you just want to basically make sure that the flashlights that you do have are clean. They have the battery is charged, so you may want a battery tester and test your batteries to make sure that as soon as you need it, it'll be good to go. So after you've located, test all your batteries, got all your flashlights ready, yeah, then you'll be done with this task, and you can. That's kind of it. You move on to the next one.
I guess.
Yeah.